बहुत 3-4 साल से था कि मुझे एक प्रॉपर ऐसे बर्थडे शूट करना है।
मेरे को बहुत सारे ब्रांड से मेरे को गिफ्ट कार्ड मिले थे, लाइक विक्टोरिया सीक्रेट, लाइक जैसे मैंने अपने दिमाग में सोचा था दिस कुकी आउटफिट, इट इज सो क्यूट।
And there are two things which is very irritating me. Guys, it's snowing on my birthday. So good.
Worst behavior. Number one worst behavior.
This time my birthday was pretty casual, subtle and very aesthetic.
Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. And title देख के आप लोगों को पता चल ही गया होगा कि this is my birthday vlog. Finally, it's that time of the year. So right now I'm going for a haircut. मैंने already अपनी appointment book कर ली है, which is at 4:30 and अभी बज रहा है 4:50. The salon is not so far, so we are gonna start soon. And like आप देख सकते हैं मेरे बाल की हालत बहुत ही गंदी हो चुकी है. Last time my experience was very bad. Like मैंने पहले तो उसको keratin treatment बोला था, but he did botox hair treatment, and उसके वजह से it became very rough. And then I went to hair color and I said him to please भैया थोड़ा ठीक कर दो. Then he cut my hair, but it was like till this much, and that was very short hair, and now it grew this much, and you can see here बहुत ही unshape में हो चुके हैं मेरे बाल.
It's my birthday already in India.
Yay! It's already my birthday in India and मेरे को विशेष आना स्टार्ट हो चुके हैं. आज से ही मैंने सेलिब्रेशन स्टार्ट कर दिया. So first I'll go follow my birthday ritual, that is to do first haircut, and then we are thinking to do dinner outside. So let's go. So guys, look at my hair, it's looking so good. Right now we are in the mall क्योंकि मेरे को चाहिए था फ्री का Starbucks. So on my Starbucks app, I just now saw that my birthday is saved as 15th Jan and today is 15th over here. So I got free Starbucks for my birthday and also and also I had a gift card from the Aerie. So I got one top which I'm gonna show tomorrow. And one more thing, I also got a gift card from the Victoria's Secret. So I also got a thing from there. Everything I'm gonna show tomorrow. अभी हम लोग जाएंगे Miniso, but बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं बाल.
There'll be a lot of pigs in Miniso.
Miniso US में it is very difficult to find and it's like heaven for girls. I don't know why, but it's so good. यहाँ पे मेरे बाल बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं. Can you show my back? This is from the front. But yeah, this is how I wanted this bounce. It is so good. I'm so loving it. And I'm just gonna enjoy my free coffee now. So guys, हम लोग मॉल से मैंने कॉफ़ी ली थी एंड वो कॉफ़ी इतनी बड़ी थी और बहुत ही कॉफ़ी थी तो उससे वजह से मेरे को भूख लगी नहीं थी. इवन मेघा वॉज नॉट हंग्री क्योंकि हमने बीच में पटेल ब्रदर से बड़ा पाव खाया था. सो दोनों को इतनी भूख नहीं लगी थी तो हमने पार्सल कर लिया था एंड वी जस्ट केम होम एंड हमने वो खाना खाया एंड आई हैड लाइक बैक टू बैक कॉल्स विद माई फैमिली एंड रिलेटिव. आई वॉज सो बिजी विद दैट एंड आई डिडंट गेट चांस टू शूट द थिंग. सो हियर आई एम विद द कैमरा एंड आई जस्ट वॉन्टेड टू शो come it's okay. I just wanted to show my dress which I brought. So guys, just look at the dress. It's like proper giving me like a birthday girl vibe, and you can see like how I have accessorized everything, and the main character is my hair which is looking so perfect. So आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे कि मैं ये ड्रेस पहन के क्या कर रही हूँ यहाँ पे. Like I have been like मेरे दिमाग में पता है बहुत 3-4 साल से था कि मुझे एक प्रॉपर ऐसे बर्थडे शूट करना है with the cake in hand and then with the flower and the champagne glass. दो उसमें champagne नहीं चाहिए, but still this all like with these props I thought of shooting, but I didn't get time because हर टाइम मैं अपने फैमिली के साथ बिजी रहती थी या तो फ्रेंड्स लोगों के साथ मजे करती थी. आई नो अकेले बर्थडे सेलिब्रेशन माइट बी लाइक साउंडिंग वियर्ड. आई एम गेटिंग अ टाइम फॉर माई सेल्फ एंड जो मुझे करना है ना एवरीथिंग आई एम एबल टू लाइक द थिंग्स लाइक अ फोटोशूट. सो विच इज मेकिंग मी हैप्पी. सो और क्या चाहिए यार, बर्थडे के टाइम पे खुद को हैप्पी करो. सो या एनी हाउ राइट नाउ आई जस्ट शो यू द प्रॉप्स विच आई हैव. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट थिंग. दिस वी फाउंड इट सो क्यूट इन द वॉलमार्ट. जो ये बहुत ही क्यूट लगा, लाइक इट हैज दिस हार्ट शेप थिंग का शैम्पेन ग्लास एंड वी ऑल्सो हैव जिंजर एल. सो वी आर गोना यूज दैट इंस्टेड ऑफ शैम्पेन. एंड द अदर थिंग इज these flowers which Megha gave to me and it's going perfect with this. And uske baad we got this Let's Party ka hairband and the last part is cake. It's so cute and we also got the perfect happy birthday candle. Guys, the main prop for the shoot is this lamp. That's why we have kept over here. Let's start photo shoot. So guys, this is our first prop, so let's start.
Good morning guys, so it's the next day and it's officially my birthday. Right now I'm just gonna do my makeup and get ready for the day. So recently I got this color corrector which I'm gonna use today. So blending, concealer, setting powder just to avoid the oiliness, eyeshadow, mascara, blush, lipstick. So my makeup is done. Let me quickly show you guys. And it is so cute. So guys, before showing my outfit, I just wanted to share a few stuff which I got for my birthday as like a self gift. मेरे को बहुत सारे ब्रांड से मेरे को गिफ्ट कार्ड मिले थे, like Victoria's Secret, then American Eagle or Aerie, and then Ulta Beauty. So many things I got as like a birthday gift and I gifted myself. So let me show you guys. First let me show what I got in Ulta Beauty. Like so first thing, this is the bag which I got from them. So इसके अंदर मैंने Aerie का एक टॉप डाल के रखा है which I got. So let me show that. So this is the top I got from Aerie. Like I had a gift card of $5 and I wanted to spend something on the Aerie just to use that card. So I just got this top. That was the first gift card I have used. I always wanted to get this using serum. So I got this finally. The next thing is just because of the packaging I got this because it's so cute. So वैसे भी मेरा body scrub खत्म हो गया था तो I was like why not to buy from a different brand and use it. So yes, I got this and packaging is like okay. Then this is the like I don't know मैंने अपने बालों में इतना महंगा चीज कभी पहले खरीदा होगा. So this make my hair frizzyless. So yeah, I'm so excited to try this and it is like a leave-in condition. So I have to just apply and then do and it also act as a heat protection. And this is the birthday gift I got from Ulta Beauty, which is also from Cosrx. And this is the serum. If I like this, I'm gonna buy the actual product. And also got this another bunch of stuff which is like a beauty blender and this cream like travel pack which is also cute. This is what I got from the Ulta Beauty and from the Claire's. So from Claire's I didn't get any like a birthday gift but I just got myself this clips which was like just $2. This one, just look at it, it's so cute. Here are the nails which was just $1 and the last part which is Victoria's Secret. So I got myself a perfume again. I got my hands on these. I just want to appreciate their packaging. It is like their gift combo they have kept over there and I got it a good deal. It was on 50% off and I had like $10 gift card from the Victoria's Secret. So yeah, here it is and just look at how it opens. It has like a 3 products which is like a mist, perfume and lotion. So yeah, this is the best gift I got. That was the gifts and all. Just look at the package which I got from Shein. I can't even lift it is so much. It's just because it has shoes and everything. Let's talk about my outfit. First thing about my outfit which I like, and just look at the skirt. It's just like it's all giving me like a Pookie vibe. And yes, and nowadays like I don't know, still I guess bow is trending. So yeah, this is the skirt I'm gonna wear today. And uska upar ka top is also so good. It's like a Korean vibe. This is the top which is like so cute. Just to match with my outfit I got a pink bag as well which is cute though. And the last part, my boots. They are also in pink. It's gonna be so cute all together. I just told you, मेरे दिमाग में सोचा था मैंने वैसा ही दिखे मतलब पूरा and everything just get together. I'll quickly wear that and बाहर यहाँ पे बहुत ही ठंडी है so I'm just gonna wear my stockings. So yeah, let me फटाफट wear this because we're already getting late. Guys, just look at my dress. It is so pretty and the bow came so perfectly. Like मैंने बहुत अच्छे से लगाया है. This is my full outfit and also this bow cute earrings are so good. I have also matching strap for my eye watch. So yeah, everything is going so perfect. Like जैसे मैंने अपने दिमाग में सोचा था this Pookie outfit, it is so cute. Anyhow guys, मैंने अभी Get Ready With Me shoot किया and then I realized that I haven't put on my nails, so I'm just gonna do that. Guys, just ignore the mess क्योंकि मैंने आप लोगों को ही मैं दिखा रही थी and it's just a mess right now. Want to show your outfit?
Hi friends.
You're just pushing me.
This is pushing.
You didn't show your outfit.
Hi friends. ये तो मेरी पैंट है and ये तो मेरी shirt and this is my hair how I did today and that's gonna be it. Bye. Please say you'll cut that part.
No, I won't.
And here you go, guys. This is my bag for today.
So now I'm just gonna stick it with the glue they have provided. This is the glue I'm gonna use and फटाफट लगाते हैं. Guys, my nails are done and it's going perfect with the outfit. Nails are done. Everything is done. Ready for the birthday. Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. That's what I am. Guys, we have reached our destination and there are two things which is very very irritating me, which is one thing is this nails. I don't know, ऐसा लग रहा है कि कब ब्रेक हो जाएंगे, but मेरे को फोटोज चाहिए इसके साथ. So I'm being so cautious and these boots, they are so uncomfortable. Thank God हम लोग गाड़ी लेके आए. Anyhow guys, we have reached our destination. Megha, how was your drive?
She ditched me at the last. She started saying roads.
भाई हम लोग ने इतना कंफ्यूजन हुआ है ना रोड पे से फाइंड आउट करने में. देयर इज नो सनलाइट एंड लुक एट दिस, दे आर सो डल. तो गाइस, जो हम लोगों ने कैफे डिसाइड किया है, इट्स गोना मैच विथ माय आउटफिट. आई विल जस्ट शो यू. Guys, just look at this bag. It's so cute. अंदर डाइनिंग ही नहीं है. We have seen in the pictures kada, but it seems that it's not. तो इसमें को ना अपना मेरा आउटफिट बहुत क्यूट लग रहा है. एंड आई वांट पिक्चर ओवर देयर. वी आर जस्ट वेटिंग टू क्लोज दैट. एंड हम लोगों ने अभी दूसरा कैफे देखा था. वी हैव केप्ट अवर बैकअप, सो वी आर जस्ट गोइंग ओवर देयर एंड आई एम जस्ट गोना क्लोज नाउ. Guys, it's snowing on my birthday. So good. आज पता नहीं हमने क्या क्या एक्सपीरियंस कर लिया. एंड आई लेट यू नो एवरीथिंग आफ्टर गोइंग होम. पहले तो हमें भूख लगी है, सुबह से कुछ खाया नहीं है ज़्यादा हमने. लेट्स गो फर्स्ट एंड ईट. The food is so good and पूरा मतलब गुजराती वाइब्स है यहाँ पर. बट खाना बहुत ही टेस्टी है. मतलब मंचूरियन ये तो पूरा गुजरात में, जैसे गुजरात में मिलता है वैसा ही है. आई मीन इंडिया, गुजरात, वॉट एवर. आई लाइक इट. ठीक है, कुछ स्पाइसी खाना. कांट हेल्प इट. वी ऑल्सो हैव थाली. Guys, we came home and like वहाँ पे लाइटिंग अच्छी नहीं आ रही थी तो I couldn't show much. And हम लोग घर आ गए हम लोग इतने थक गए थे. And घर आते ही I got a package from Aanchal. She sent me a gift and which was in this cute bag. And this is the gift and just look at it, how cute the packaging is. And it is also a lavender, and those of you who know me well, I love lavender and it's written like hello beautiful. I just wanted to show like क्या क्या आया है इसके अंदर. So this is like a spa kit. So I got the lavender body lotion and this is the candle and I got the bar salt and this is the lavender soap which I got. And the last product is this mug which is cute.
Hi guys.
ये नेल निकल गया बट मेरे नेल्स इतने बढ़ गए
But एक दिन तो है.
क्रेडिट टू मेगा टू क्लिक माय सो मेनी नाइस पिक्चर्स. लाइक लिटरली इतना तंग किया है ना मैंने इस लड़की को टू टेक माय फोटोज.
Worst behavior.
No.
Number one worst behavior.
So yeah, I think जब तक ये वीडियो आएगा तब तक मैंने ऑलरेडी अपने बर्थडे पोस्ट डाल दी होगी. So do check it out on my Instagram. I will keep the link in the description as well.
Do check it out and please praise my photography skills in the comment section. Thank you. Bye.
Hey guys, so मेरा फोटो स्टोरेज पूरा भर चुका है बिकॉज आई हैव टेकन सो मेनी वीडियोज एंड फोटोज. सो अभी मैं ट्रांसफर करके आई. सो आई वाज जस्ट सेइंग कि आज का दिन इट वाज सो गुड. लाइक आई डिडंट एक्सपेक्टेड कि मैं बस मेघा के साथ अपना बर्थडे ऐसे सेलिब्रेट करूंगी. प्रीटी वेल एंड इट वाज सो गुड. एंड थैंक यू फॉर ऑल योर लवली विशेस इन इंस्टाग्राम एंड व्हाट्सएप. सो या, आई एम जस्ट गोना एंड दिस व्लॉग ओवर हियर. आई थिंक दिस वीडियो इज गोना बी too long and I hope you found it useful, like what to do in your birthday when you don't have much things to do. So yeah, this time my birthday was pretty casual, subtle and very aesthetic. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. And उसके साथ मुझे बेल आइकन जरूर प्रेस करना ताकि मैं जब भी अपना वीडियो करूँ आप लोगों को नोटिफिकेशन आए. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye bye.